What's up, everybody? Today we're going to go over an order picker and kind of what it does. You know, very generalized. An order picker or order selector is like what I'm standing on and what's behind us. That's one of the trucks that as you're operating it, you go up with the forks. So there's the forks, and you would have a cart or a pallet locked in with that clamp. On this particular site, there's a special cart that locks in, not pallets. That's the pedal to unlock that. Those are your safety arms, which move up and down to get out of the way. Throttle, hydraulics, and horn, that's your steering, and it is an auto center, so if you let go, it will center and the wheel will straighten out and you'll go straight. And we have our dashboard, which gives you some information. Switches for various stuff. That is your OAS, obstacle or operator assistant screen, to let you know how high you are, how much weight. It's fairly accurate. The orange there means it knows something's over there, and that means it knows that it's probably a forklift, basically. That's your tracker screen. That's for like logging in, logging out and shit. So let's we'll go for a little ride here. Let me pause. I'll be back in a second. Don't mind the fuzzy edges. That's the screen that's in front of you. So let's go ahead and drive to an aisle, preferably one with nobody in it, because Amazon loud horn. Amazon. Their policy is you should not record anybody on site, just for like safety and whatever and everything. So we'll get out here where nobody is. Looks like straight ahead will work. Go ahead and engage that wire guidance. Little beeps, big beeps. Alright, now we do not steer at all. We are hands-free. You can zing down this aisle at 6.5 miles an hour, and you usually won't hit anything sticking out of the side. And let's say you get to here and you know you're at the bin you need to be at. Just come on up to wherever you need to go. And that bar that just passed was the very top of the order picker. And we are at the top. Here, you know what? You might appreciate this. The view you don't see very often in a warehouse. And my feet are at 300, well, the forks, basically my feet, are at 322 inches right now. Sorry. Move that over a little bit. There we go. All right, let's head back down. And they don't like you to move while you're elevated, because they have had problems with pallets hanging out very high and the carriage getting caught on pallets while it's 20 feet in the air and almost knocking the order picker over. So now you get to your spot, you raise up to it. When you're done, you drop down. That bar gets in the way, so you drop down a little bit more. There you go. Little bump up, just to make sure nothing drags on the ground. Then you carry on down the road. And in this case, we're just going to go ahead and turn around. So we got to turn our wire guidance off. Lots of beeps. Well, one beep there, and we're getting ready to have another beep. So I'm going to get back on the wire guidance. And all the vertical lines in front of you are the electrical cables that go over the masts to electrically connect both halves of the forklift. Wire guidance off. And back into the shop. I'm going to pause it and I'll actually be right back. We're going to go up high again. Alright. Want to get high? So now we'll go all the way up with nothing on either side of you, which gets a little sketchy because you feel more comfortable going up when there's stuff next to you. Because I guess it feels like if you fall, you'll hit something and not just die. So let's go. This warehouse is about 3/8 of a mile long and about a 1/4 mile wide. And even though I'm not really that afraid of heights, it is sketchy as shit when you're not in an aisle. Because it just feels like you're gonna fucking fall. So there it is. You can see the, where's my finger? That's where like one of the parking lots is. Most of the parking is along this area, along the warehouse. And there's some of the aisles we were just in. Let me loosen that up a pinch. So this is the inside of one of the, sorry about the camera, one of the bigger Amazon warehouses. I have 253 pieces of equipment here that I deal with. Let's head on back down. And if anyone's wondering, no, there's nothing NDA or whatever that I'm filming here. This is all any information that anyone can get. It's always weird when the focus fucks up now. Alright. Yeah, that fan is the fuel cell. Yeah, I guess while we're here, pop that on. There's a fuel cell. That's one of those hydrogen fuel cells you hear about every once in a while. So yeah, this is what I do. And you can find more of this in the members section if you want to join. If not, that's cool too. It's just really noisy here all the time. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Saturday, I'm sure. See ya.